In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a callable button on Google Sites. So when people click on it, it's then going to open up their phone app with already a preset number. Now, this is for people that don't have any coding knowledge. I'm going to make this very simple and show you what you need to do. So just a quick note, this code isn't my original code. This is code from this website here, rahmanzeb.com. So all credit goes to this website here. Go and check this out if you want the original code. But anyway, and I'll leave a link to this in the description. But what you want to do is you want to scroll down here to adding callable button with our image. You then want to go ahead and copy this code here. Now, don't worry, this is very simple. Then go to your Google Sites, go ahead and click on embed, embed code, and then paste in the code. Now, the only thing that you want to change, and you can, if you do know stuff about coding, you can change like the background colors and style. But the most important thing to change here is this number. So put your number here with your country code. I'll leave it on default just so I can show you. But you would edit your number here. Once you've edited your number, click next. And it's then going to embed from the web this kind of like circle image. Click insert. And this is what it looks like here. Now you can hold down shift and you can drag this inwards. So it obviously, so you know, you can make it smaller and you can put it anywhere on your website. So let's say I want to put it here just for the video. Now let's click publish and we'll view this website. So click view and now let's make sure it works. So here's our website. Let's scroll down. Here is the image here once it loads. And if we click on it, it's then going to open up, like on my computer I can't call, but if you click on it on phone, it would open up your phone's app. So it's opening up this app on my computer, but if you click on this on a phone, it will open up your phone app so you can call. That's how you do it. All credit goes to rahmanzeb.com.